If you're looking for a fast and secure way to send money to India, Xoom Money Transfer is one of the most reliable options available. Xoom Remittance, a PayPal service, allows users to send money online or via mobile app to recipients in India directly into their bank accounts or for cash pickup. Setting up an account is simple. Just sign up at xoom.com, choose the country, India, enter the amount, select the delivery method, and fund your transfer using a bank account, debit card, or credit card. What makes Xoom Money Transfer to India special is its quick processing time, often within minutes, and excellent customer service. The platform also updates you with real-time notifications until your money reaches the recipient. Once you initiate a transfer, Xoom handles the currency conversion and securely transmits the funds. Your recipient gets the money directly in their account or picks it up in cash, depending on the chosen option. So users really praise Xoom for its transparency, user interface, and security. Unlike those traditional banks, Xoom charges minimal fees and offers pretty competitive exchange rates, especially for USD to INR transactions. Here's a smart tip. Use bank transfers instead of cards because, bank accounts actually offer the lowest fees. Oh, and definitely avoid using credit cards since they usually incur cash advance charges. So here's something interesting. Exchange rates often improve during those mid-month economic activity surges. Scheduling your transfers around this time could actually help you get a better deal, you know? So here's a tip. Use cashback cards linked to Xoom. Some cards actually offer rebates when you use them for remittances through PayPal. You can also register for exchange rate alerts. Xoom lets you set up alerts for your preferred rate, so you can send money when the rates are, at their best. Another smart move is to split transfers strategically. Sending two smaller transfers when the INR is appreciating can honestly help you get more rupees overall. To check live exchange rates and reviews, just visit xoom.com and compare remit.com. With the right timing and method, Xoom Money Transfer to India can be both cost-effective and efficient.